Hey guys, how's it going? Alright, so we're back on this job. We have that metal rebar that is protruding inside of the pipe, causing continual backups. So what we're doing right now, we're using this Picote Miller machine with that special rebar cutting head. I'm going to show you what progress we're making so far. Okay, get that inside. Alright. So you're gonna guys, we're gonna look on the screen. This is gonna be, only got a little bit more left. As I said in the earlier video, if you're looking here at about 4 o'clock, 3:30, we got that opening over there that we're gonna have to close up with our patch. This is the rebar. Right there, as you can see, we've already made quite good progress in cutting that out. We've got a little bit left. Obviously, we're nicking the pipe as well. That's totally fine because we're going to be putting a cured in place pipe patch over there. So we're just gonna, I'm gonna finish getting that out. I'll pull it out either with the grabber or with the magnet, and then we're gonna get started on getting the point repair done. Alright, so here we are. So I managed to push this and something else. The grinding pads broke off the Picote because I ground them out so deep. Open this manhole up, you push it down to there, and we were able to get it out. Let me see if I can get those grinding pads. They're in the bottom there somewhere, who cares? Anyways, that's a pretty nice size. It's pretty much as big as my pinky. You can see where the, that's where I shaved it off. And that's all there is. Right now the patch is curing in place. About an hour, I guess we'll take it out and see if we did a good job or not. All right, so we took the packer out. It cured very nicely. Putting the camera back inside. We're going straight down. And there's that polypropylene back to the HDPE. Beautiful transition over there. That's that 45. Right at the bottom is where our issue was. Absolutely beautiful. And let's see if we can turn the camera head. And I basically stopped right at the next 45. So we got just a beautiful transition over here, sealed off the pipe, just great.